Hello, students. Welcome back. Let us continue to study the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. In the previous classes, we had a quick discussion on what was air pollution and what were the pollutants. And we had just begun the lesson by saying that how our Taj Mahal, beautiful white marble, is now turning yellow in color, and how the air pollution, because of which is a major factor which is responsible for its deteriorating conditions. So we shall study one of the case study which is made on the Taj Mahal. Now, over the past 2 decades, meaning about 20 years, because we know one decade is made up of 10 years. Now, India's most famous tourist attraction, Taj Mahal, located in Agra. We all have learned this, children, that Taj Mahal is located in Agra and it was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his wife. Now, it has become a matter of concern. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble, and we have seen in the picture that it appears white as pearl. But now, what is happening is the white marble which was used is discoloring, meaning it is not being the same pearly white finish. It is deteriorating, it is becoming slightly yellowish, it is discoloring. We have also seen a white clothes also. So after some time, what happens is if you do not take good care of it, it turns yellow. In the same case, even a white marble, which is used in the Taj Mahal, is turning yellow. Now, so it is not only the living organism, that is the humans, plants, animals, that are getting affected by the polluted air, but non-living things like buildings, monuments, and statues are also getting affected. The industries located in and around Agra, like rubber processing, automobile, chemicals, and especially the Mathura oil refinery, have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. We have also already seen that these chemicals, sulfur dioxide, which was seen in the processing of coal, okay, during the combustion of fuels like coal, we were getting this sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide we had seen, or the nitrogen oxide we had seen in the vehicles. From that, we get this. Now, these gases react with water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So, when it does that reaction, okay, nitrogen will react with the air to form nitric acid, and sulfur will react to form sulfuric acid. Now, this acid drops down with rain, making the rain acidic. This is called acid rain. Now, children, when it rains normally, we see what happens is, whenever we have any acid, what happens is it burns. If I keep vinegar on my finger, it starts burning after some time. And imagine if there is a rain which is of made up of all acid of sulfuric and nitric acid. Now this acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. The white marble is getting corroded. Corroded meaning it is getting spoiled. The phenomenon is also called marble cancer. They've labeled it as marble cancer. Why? Because as in cancer, all our cells are being affected. Same is happening also with our white marble. It is getting affected. Now, suspended particulate matter, such as soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery, has contributed towards yellowing of the marble. A white marble is now become yellowish in color. Now, what the Supreme Court has taken several steps to save the Taj. So, this is a beautiful Taj. But now, this white is turning into yellow because of the Mathura oil industry as one of the major contributor towards the air pollution. Now, because of that, Supreme Court has ordered industries to switch to cleaner fuels like CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Moreover, the automobile should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj. So now, whenever we go to fill petrol, there are two types. One is unleaded and one is which contains lead also. Now, in case you want to drive your vehicle near the Taj Mahal, you should compulsorily use unleaded petrol because we do not want to cause any harm towards a Taj. Because whenever we use uh, petrol which contains lead, what happens is it will give out soot. It will give out very dangerous chemicals out like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, which could harm our environment, in particular our Taj Mahal. Now, discuss with your elders and see what they have to say about the condition of Taj Mahal 20 to 30 years ago. So, you can ask your grandparents about Taj Mahal. Ask them what was the color in case they had visited, how it was, and they have told us try to procure a picture of the Taj Mahal for your scrapbook. So you can make a book and even stick that picture over there so that you are able to maintain that. Now, Bujo is saying, I am reminded of the chapter on crops. I wonder whether acid rain affects the soil and plants. Definitely, without saying, it will affect the quality of the soil and the plants. Some plants can even die because of this acid rain. So, in today's class, we had a brief discussion of a case study which was made in Taj Mahal and how the quality of air is making responsible for a white marble into turning into yellow and causing marble cancer. Thank you, students.